Hi friends, in this video we will take a look at this small and compact work light from Parkside. Welcome to MiikaDoesStuff. Wow, this is the Parkside PBBK 4B1, a compact LED work light with an innovating folding system for space-saving storage. I have seen quite a few reviews of this work light and the folding system looks amazing. I cannot wait to check that out. But first, some specs. Both lights are 5 watts each, producing up to 700 lumens together. The illumination time is about 2 hours when both lights are on, and up to 4 hours when using just a single light. Parkside was also kind enough to include 1.5 volt AA batteries. And that was the main specs. Let's take a quick look at the box before opening it. So let's see what we got here. The quality is, it's okay. This part here feels pretty cheap, but the legs feels better though. So I would say the overall quality is okay for what I paid. And the weight is nice, it's not too heavy. The size is it's not too big, it's about 20 times 14. So it will fit in the most small spaces. I love the design because it's really compact. And the folding system is, as I told you before like a million times, it's amazing. But it's, I don't know, maybe you can hear it. It's not that easy to open, so this might break in the future. The time will tell, as I always say. This is a space-saving little lamp because you can do whatever you want with it, and you can have it in your camping gear, in your car, in your working gear like tool chest and bags and whatever you have. There's a few mounting options. Either you have it like this, and you can hang it on to a screw or whatever, or you use this thing here, push this in, and you hook it on to a ladder maybe. Perfect for a ladder. Or you can use the magnet, and it's really on here, it won't fall down.
Nope.
The work light is powered by AA batteries, and you find them on the back, here and here. To get to the batteries we have to remove these 2 screws. Let's do that. That's the first one. And the second one. We have some Tronic batteries, long-lasting power. And these are Made in China, manufactured by Lidl. Huh. That's interesting. Batteryservicelidl.com. Cool. Okay, so Lidl has their own battery brand. That's cool. Let's see. I can find. Here's some thing here. I think we have to remove that to get this lamp to work. Okay. It's removed. Now let's see. Here we have the button. Ah, it works. It has 3 modes. First push, lower one, second, the top one, and the third, both lights. Let's try the lamp out. It's on my floor in my bathroom, and it's really dark in here, as you can see. Now we have the top light on. Pretty bright. The lower light.
Go ahead. Make my day.
And it has a warmer feeling. And now the both lamps together. Pretty decent light, but I wouldn't use it in large open spaces. I would use it in cramped spaces, like your cabinet. Maybe you're working inside your cabinet and need some decent light. Above a drop ceiling. Maybe you're doing some electrical work and need some decent light. At your car. Maybe you got some car problem and need to work on your engine. Maybe you have to do some work inside your car. Or maybe you have to do some work under your car. Just as a comparison, I have a cheaper lamp here. It's much brighter, it has USB-C, and it was about 30 kronor cheaper. So to sum it all up, what do I like about this? I like the versatility. You can have it on the table if you want. And these lamps can swivel 360 degrees. Like this, and you can have them facing at different angles. That's really cool. I don't think I've seen that feature on any other lamp, especially when this costs only 129 kronor. That's very cheap. And the thing I don't like is the batteries. That's the worst thing. If you want to use this a lot, you should have rechargeable batteries, and at least 8 of them, and they are not cheap. So if you have rechargeable batteries, then this is good. Then I don't like this part here. It's going to break, I know that. If you're too rough, it's going to break here. You see, it's very flimsy. And to put this thing in, you have to push it in, click it in like that. But it's very flimsy. I'm not the guy that throws around my stuff and do like that. I'm very careful, so it's going to last for me. But if you're the reckless type, you know what I mean, then this is not the lamp for you. It's going to break. This is a work light, and you expect that a work light should be bright, but this has only 700 lumen, and I think it's when both lamps are on, not like one light. The cheaper light that I showed you was 1300 lumen, and it's a minimum for a good light, but I mean, I don't want to be too harsh. It's still a decent lamp. It's a decent lamp, it's cheap, but stack up on the batteries. So this is everything for this time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. It's snowing outside and they're working like crazy. Just when I'm filming. God damn it.